Namaste everyone. Here I am going to explain about polyhedrons. Polyhedron. A polyhedron is a three-dimensional shape with polygonal faces, straight edges, and vertices. Poly stands for many and hedron stands for faces. As we know, for any three-dimensional shape, face is a plane surface of the solid. Edge is a line segment at which two faces of the solid meet. Vertex is a point at which edges meet. Now, this one is a three-dimensional shape. Here, five faces are visible. Edge. This one is called edge, where two faces are going to meet. This one is a line segment and this is called edge. Vertex. Here, three line segments are meeting. This common point is called its vertex, and this one is flat surface which is called face, and this one is a polygon because it is surrounded by three or four line segments. In this face, here are only three line segments: BC, CE and EB, whereas in ABCD there are four line segments. All these are polygons. So this three-dimensional shape is a polygon because it is formed by polygons. This one is cone and this is cylinder. Even a sphere is also not example of polyhedrons. Non-examples of polyhedron. A cone does not contain any polygon, so it is not a polyhedron. This one is cone. A cylinder does not contain any polygon, so it is not a polyhedron. Similarly, a sphere also does not contain polygon, so a sphere is also not an example of polyhedron. But all these are three-dimensional shapes: cone, cylinder, as well as a sphere are three-dimensional shapes, solids, but they are not polyhedron. Now, regular polyhedron. A polyhedron is said to be regular if its faces are made up of regular polygons and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. This solid geometrical shape is cube. This point is called its vertex. Here three faces are meeting. This Q is vertex, this P is vertex, and this R is also vertex. And each point of its vertices, there are same number of faces are meeting. At each vertex, there are three faces meeting. Same number of faces are meeting. So, these are regular polyhedrons. Prisms. Prisms are polyhedrons whose base and top are congruent polygons and whose other faces are parallelograms. Here, this one is a triangular prism in which this ABC is base and EFD is its top, and both polygons are congruent. These are triangles. These are congruent triangles, whereas AC, DE, BC, DF as well as BA, EF are lateral faces which are parallelograms. These are also called other faces which are parallelograms. Cube, cuboid are also prisms. This is a triangular prism. Number of faces is equal to 5. 2 triangular faces and 3 are parallelograms. 5 faces. Number of vertices is equal to 6. A, B, C, D, E, F. Total 6 vertices. Number of edges are 9. We observe here 3 edges are here. A, B, A, C, B, C. 3 edges are here. F, D, D, E and E, F. As well as 3 edges are C, D, A, E and B, F. In this way, a triangular prism has 9 edges. Now, a square prism. This is top, which is a square, and this is base. A, B, C, D is base, which is a square. Its top is also a square, as well as its lateral faces or other faces are parallelograms. Its base and top are congruent square. Number of faces is equal to 6. Number of edges is equal to 12. We can observe it here. and number of vertices is equal to 8. 4 vertices at base and 4 vertices at top. Here A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H are congruent squares and other faces are parallelograms, so it is a square prism. This is an example of a square prism in which base and top are congruent squares and other side faces or lateral faces are parallelograms. All cubes are square prisms as their base and top faces are congruent squares, as well as other faces are also squares, but all square prisms are not cubes, as their base and top faces are squares, but other faces may not be squares. As we know, in a cube, its all faces are squares, but in a square prism, its all faces may not be squares. A prism is named according to the shape of its base. If the base of a prism is a triangle, it is a triangular prism. If the base of a prism is a square, it is a square prism. If the base of a prism is a rectangle, it is a rectangular prism. If the base of a prism is a pentagon, it is a pentagonal prism. If the base of a prism is hexagon, it is a hexagonal prism. If its base is heptagon, it is heptagonal prism. If its base is octagon, then it is an octagonal prism, and so on. They are named according to the shape of their bases. Now pyramids. Pyramids are polyhedrons whose base is a polygon of any number of sides and whose lateral faces are triangles with a common vertex. Here P is common vertex, ABC is its base, ACP, CBP are lateral faces, and these are triangles. Total number of faces is here 4. Total number of vertices ABCP are 4. Total number of edges AB, BC, BP, AP and so on are 6. Total number of edges are 6. Its base is triangle, so it is a triangular pyramid. It has 4 triangular faces, so it is called tetrahedron. Tetra stands for 4. Hedron stands for faces. This solid geometrical shape has 4 faces. Now a square pyramid, its base is a square. A, B, C, D is a square. Other lateral faces are triangular. Base, a square pyramid, triangular lateral faces, its lateral faces are triangles. Vertex is E at which these lateral faces are meeting. Number of faces is equal to 5 here. Number of vertices is equal to 5. Number of edges is equal to 8. 5 vertices, 4 at base, 1 is at top. 5 faces also, 4 triangular face and 1 is a square face. Now f plus v, that is 5 plus 5, that is 10. Number of edges is equal to 8. If base of a pyramid is a rectangle, then it is a rectangular pyramid. If base of a pyramid has 5 sides, then it is a pentagonal pyramid. If base of a pyramid has 6 sides, then it is a hexagonal pyramid. If base of a pyramid has 7 sides, then it is a heptagonal pyramid. If base of a pyramid has 8 sides, then it is an octagonal pyramid, and so on. They are named according to the shape of their bases. Now, Euler's formula. Solid face vertex is f plus v and e plus 2. All these informations are given here. Cuboid, 6 face, 8 vertex, 12 edge. Sum, 6 plus 8, that is 14. 12 plus 2, that is 14. Here f plus v is equal to e plus 2, or f plus v minus e is equal to 2. This relationship is called Euler's formula. This formula is true for any polyhedron. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.